be a band, Randall.
Yeah. The science band.
The science band.
That way
With Rick
nobody really
Crosslin.
judges us if we don't sound fantastic.
No, they don't. Hi, Science Guy Rick.
Sound is energy. Sound is energy.
Okay.
And if it vibrates, it can make sound. And sound travels through air, it travels through solids, and travels through liquids. So these are some do-it-yourself sound instruments. And so my favorite is the palm pipe. And you notice these are all different sizes, right? So one concept I like to say is big things make low sounds. So this is
Big things make low sounds.
and small things make I can't say
High sounds.
Thank you.
High sounds.
And so those are palm pipes, but I used to get in so much trouble, Amber, doing
Yes.
this in school. You know, it's like,
Oh, were you one of those, Rick?
oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Because the bigger it is,
Yeah.
the lower it is. And the smaller, the higher. But kids like this, you
I
have
know,
to-
it really could be so much fun,
I was
right?
the kid in class egging people like Rick on. Do it again, Rick.
yeah, not joining me, just joining.
Do it again.
Show us your favorite toy,
Oh,
Amber. This is
I was telling the Slinky.
Slinky. Now,
Woo!
here's how we use that in sound. So sound travels by waves. Hold that in.
Okay.
And so a low sound makes a low wave with a crest and a trough, but a higher sound,
Here, I'll just
you
hold it.
see a lot of waves in there.
Yeah.
So that's kind of fun. Or if you don't have slinkies, you can do it with this with kids. I show them to make low sounds and fast sounds and all that. Or you can just try.
Just like a guitar.
I pull them like this. Hear that sound? And this sound? But my favorite, I met a guy in San Francisco playing balloon drums.
Balloon drum.
And they're really,
It's a balloon.
that's really
I did not realize.
sophisticated. You take a balloon, hold that one for me, Amber,
Okay.
and you put this over a bowl or a cup. And then you have to have a very sophisticated drumstick that you can get at your local China buffet.
Sophisticated.
It makes a really cool
Wow.
sound depending on.
Nice.
So I'll do a rhythm and you repeat it.
Oh boy, pressure. I didn't know which one he did that last time.
Remember,
It all sounded right.
it's science fun, not music. But all musical instruments, if you look at an orchestra, the big cellos make the low sounds.
Yeah.
The piccolos make the high sounds. And so that's one of the concepts. Sound is energy. Have some fun. Make some instruments. My favorite, the palm pipes. The palm pipes. You want to try that? Try that. Here we go. Ready? Give us one.
I'm telling you. The band right here.
Hey, you know what? This might be my new instrument. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That's kind of fun, Rick.
Sound energy, not music.
I don't know. It started to sound like music after a while. You know, we got in the groove.
But what a way to teach kids. I think that's what we love so much
Yeah.
about what you do is you can read it in a textbook all day,
Sure.
but until you see it put into action,
action.
into something you can understand, and it's relatable and fun.
In Wayne Township, like in first grade, I have 60 classrooms, so I can't buy 60 instruments, but I can certainly get 60 drums.
Yeah, balloon drums. Heck yeah.
So I love it. Science is for everyone, and this project you can try at home or at school.
Love it.
At home
George,
or at
I think
school.
we
There
just
you
started
go.
a band. How you feel? Which one? Choose your instrument, George Mallet.
I'll serve as your agent. I'll represent you.